Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply text-to-speech to all of your text on CapCut. This is a new feature, so you don't have to apply it one by one. So for instance, I'm just going to add to text, like to text box or Swift, and then I'm just going to add like another one. For instance, add text is the, and lastly, I'm just going to add another one, music industry. Select the checkmark button, and when you add text to speech, make sure you have applied to all selected, and that way it will apply the text to speech voice to all of the text instead of just one. For instance, I'm just going to add this one, and now it's going to apply to all the text instead of just one. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!